They're at the post. They're off in the Natalma Stakes, and a tardy start there by Earnfold. And it's Mingan Miss for the early lead. Beta Bays to the outside in second position. Biofuel and Gitchy Gummies down toward the rail and close up in the early going. Then we have Elusive Galaxy, who's sent up in between horses. To the outside is Show Me the Ring. Jungle Tail is in amongst fillies and back 2.5 lengths off the lead. Then Red Verse and the awkward starting Earnfold. And Elusive Galaxy has come on between fillies to take the lead. It's Elusive Galaxy that opening quarter in 24 seconds flat. Beta Bays to the outside, second, and Gitchy Gummies in tight down on the rail in third. In between horses is Biofuel, Mingan Miss to the extreme outside. Then we have Show Me the Ring, who's out there 4 wide and 2.5 lengths off the lead. That one is followed by Earnfold, Jungle Tail, and Red Verse to the extreme outside, a tight group of fillies. They ran a half in 47 3. And Beta Bay comes on the outside of Elusive Galaxy. Show Me the Ring looms a presence on the outside in third position as they straighten away in the Natalma. Elusive Galaxy is set down, as is Beta Bay. Then Show Me the Ring. Here comes Red Verse. Jungle Tail is rapid and relentless on the far outside. Beta Bay on the far outside is Jungle Tail for Luis Contreras. Beta Bay holding Jungle Tail at bay. Elusive Galaxy is third. Bay 2 win the Natalma over Jungle Tail and Earnfold.